What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, we're going to talk about building businesses, scaling businesses, growing businesses, building a profitable business, making money, all of that. So the reason I want to do that is because I run my own business. I have my own business, but I understand not everyone wants to do that. A lot of people do not want to have their own product, hold inventory, deal with that kind of stuff, deal with suppliers, manufacturers, those kind of things, and I completely understand that. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money, but specifically how you can do that through using skills. I'll explain just how you can do that through various skills, how you begin, how you start off, how you grow them, how you get through different phases, and of course, how you make your money. But before we get into that I'd just like to say, those of you who are new around here, please hit that red button. Those of you who have not been commenting recently, please comment. Everybody, give a thumbs up, and of course, share these videos with your friends. So, to talk about making money online, using the skills to build yourself something which can bring you in money each and every week. First, I want to start off by talking about the learning phase. If you want to build a profitable business, if you want to build something which is going to bring you money each and every week, you need to start learning. And the learning phase consists of two different things. First, learning a skill, and secondly, applying that skill. So yeah, like I said, the best way to make money, the best way to build a profitable business, at this point in time, I'd definitely say learn a skill. So when it comes to learning that skill, it may take you 1 month, it may take you 2 months, it might even take you 3 to 6 months. But trust me, take your time, be patient, and actually learn that skill. What kind of skills are about? Copywriting, videography, photography, graphic design, UX, UI design. There are so many more. When it comes to each and every single one of these skills, you don't have to hold any product, you don't have to hold inventory, you don't have to order anything to your house, you don't have to deal with shipping, none of that. But yeah, it might take you 1 month, it might take you 2 months. For those of you who want to try something more difficult, it might take you 6 months. Maybe if you're doing coding, it might take you a year. But when it comes to coding, for example, if you learn Python, Java, CSS, HTML, trust me when I say that time you took to learn it, it will definitely pay off. But the good thing is, once you've learned that skill, you've got that skill, you've developed it, you're set. You'll still be in the learning phase, but you're set. When it comes to what you're going to do with that skill, you need to apply it. So when it comes to applying that skill, you might have to start reaching out to people. You might have to start, trying stuff out for people, for maybe doing a test run, maybe advertising for low prices, maybe doing something for free for a while. But you've got to learn to start applying that skill. It's all well and good learning it, finding out how to code, finding out how to copyright, do those kind of things. But if you can't apply it, you're not going to get very far. Again, we're still in the learning phase, so it's important that you learn how to apply that skill. How long are you going to apply it for? Maybe again, a month, maybe 2 months. Again, it's like a testing phase. You could call it a testing phase. And with this, testing phase, applying it, you're in the comfort of your own home. You're not, out and about. You don't have to do anything crazy. You just take an evening to yourself, take an afternoon to yourself, and start applying it. See if there are people who you can reach out to who will gladly, let you work for them, do things for them, try different things out. And the good thing here is, I know some of you guys already have different skills. I know some of you guys are already good with photography, Photoshop, designing things. So for you guys, when it comes to learning phase, your time might be halved. You might not have to learn a skill. You might just only need to apply it. You might have that skill already, you might have developed it. But again, like I said, you only need to apply it now. If you're a videographer, start shooting videos. Start finding, small upcoming artists who want video shot for them. Start finding people like myself who have, a brand, have a business, and want someone who's creative, want someone to, who can shoot something for them. Remember that if you're helping people make money, you're showing signs that you can actually help people make money, you're going to go very far. And eventually you're going to make money not only for them, but for yourself. So once you're done with that learning phase, you found your skill, you learned how to do that skill, you've also applied it, you can start moving on to the rest of the growing phase. And this starts off by sharing your work. You've already learned that skill. You've taken time to build that skill. You've taken time to apply it. Now it's time to start sharing your work. Letting people know you can do this. Showing people you can do that. Because, you will come across people who say, hey, I need someone who can do this, this, and that. Hey, I need someone who can shoot videos. Hey, I need someone who can design this. Hey, does anyone copyright here? Hey, I'm writing a course. I'm creating a video guide. I need designs for an ebook. I need designs for a cover for my video guide. Guess what? That's when it's your time to shine. That's when you start showing your work. That's when you show them, hey, this is my portfolio. I've done this for this person. I've done that for that person. I've also done this. I can also do this. This is some of my work. These are some of my pieces. This is what I shot. This is what I took. This is what I wrote. You're starting to put yourself out there. You're starting to find work for yourself. You're starting to create opportunity. And let's say, for example, you found someone on Twitter who's looking for someone who could edit YouTube videos, for example. Guess what? You might comment under a tweet, and maybe there's a long line of people, many people who want that same work, but you didn't get that work. You might also find people who say, hey, I'm looking for someone as well. As long as you put your work out there, people might even DM you saying, hey, I saw you on this and this thread. I saw you tweet this. I was wondering if you could help me do this or that. That's what I'm talking about when you start showing your work, showing your portfolio, letting people know what you can do. It doesn't just have to be Twitter. It can come from LinkedIn. It can come from Instagram if you build an Instagram page. It can come from Facebook. A lot of time when it comes to making money or building a profitable business, we somehow forget that we just need to put ourselves out there. So it's all good learning your skill. It's all good, taking time to apply it. But you need to start sharing it with people. Get your work out there. Let people know what you've done. Let people know what you're capable of doing. Let people know you're ready to work for them. So once you've done this, The good thing is you can start to monetize it. You can start making some money off it. You get a few pieces of work. You get more demand for your work. You get more people interested in what you can do. And you're monetizing it because you're getting paid. Getting paid for something you like doing, getting paid for something you took the time to learn to do. And from the month you started, this might be 4 months down the line. It might be a year down the line. But when I tell you that it's gonna pay off and you're gonna enjoy what you're starting to reap, you're only gonna get better, the demand's only gonna rise, you can increase your prices, you can get more work, you can quit maybe your 9 to 5 you're balancing. So many new opportunities and windows start to open up. You might do some work for someone, let's say, who had 10K followers on Instagram, just for example. They might upload something and eventually, they get 15K, 20K followers and need something else done from you. You do that for them, they start tagging you on their page, showing that you did this, you helped them do that. They might even leave your handle in the caption. You're getting publicity, you're putting yourself out there, more people will look at your work. Eventually, who knows, a 50K page might come across your work and say, hey, I need this and this. Your page might grow itself, you might be able to start your own business. These are the kind of steps you need to take, and it's all part of growing. And that brings me on to the final point, the final step of building a profitable business, of making money. You start to grow, you grow it. You reach out to more people are reaching out to you. Word of mouth is spreading, you are growing your business, you are making more money online. It's a lot easier than you think. From month 1 when you start learning to maybe month 10, you could be already making money. You can go from making 1K a week to maybe making 3K a week in the space of 6 months. There are so many opportunities out there. And like I said before, it doesn't just have to be for learning a skill. In this video, I've specifically talked about learning a skill, but it can be for a digital product. For me, I'm someone who prefers my physical product. TimeGate watches, by the way, go check that out, link is in the description. But I prefer this. And so if you are someone who has a physical product, you can do the same thing. You can do the exact same thing. You start off by, trying to reach out to people who can promote your brand. You start off by maybe giving some people some commission to promote you, to wear your stuff. Guess what? Eventually you can start sharing it with more people, you get more publicity, word of mouth spreads. You can grow from, $500 a week to 1K a week. You can grow from 1K a week to 10K a month. Your business is going to keep growing as long as you keep planting seeds, watering those seeds. You will reap the rewards. You will reap those crops. For those of you who have 0 followers who are scared, it does not matter. You can literally go today. It's easier than you think. You can go step by step today. Set up, optimize, scale, grow your business. If you've already got a skill you've learned, you can create something, then go ahead and do that. If you need to go and learn a skill, it might take you a month, it might take you 2 months. Eventually by month 6, month 7, month 8, you're gonna be making money, you're gonna be doing well as long as you apply yourself. It is the year 2020, so when it comes to a lot of these kind of things, these opportunities, it does not matter what your experience is. You can start from having no experience at all and start building something for yourself. You can start learning a skill, you can start doing something different. Even if it's, for example, a YouTube channel, you might be able to start doing something like that and build that up. We have the tools, we have our phones, we have the internet, we have everything we need these days. It's up to you to go out there and get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, like I've said, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment, all the good stuff. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money to making, you got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.